today I'll show you how to compile and run the Java programs in BlueJ, which is very important for CBSE and ICSE high school students. Okay, my name is I'm a computer science Maitre Park computer science. First what I'll go to BlueJ. Okay, I'll go to BlueJ. Now what I'll do, I'll remove the old programs. Right click, then you go to delete. First delete the old programs. If you want to create one new program, you go to new class. Then suppose there is a class name as A, then you say OK. Then click this 2 times. Then write the coding here. Okay. I will say what? I will write it as class name. Class name is A. Always file name is the class name. Then you say main function. Public static void main. Then you say string arguments. Close the bracket. And if you want to print, you say what? System dot out dot println. Okay, you say welcome to Java. Then close the bracket. Okay, if you want multiple statement, just to copy and paste. Control C. Okay, then Control V, Control V. Okay, Control V, Control V. Keep on pressing. Okay, multiple statements. Now, if you want to run, what you do? Okay, here they are telling void. Okay, that is void main. Void main string of r. Always for string S is capital. In Java default is string. First you compile it. Then what you do? You go to this class, right click on the mouse, then you go to main. You are running the program to main function. Then click on OK. It's showing the result here. This is first program. Same thing what you do. If you want to create one more program, new class, again click on one more name B. Then you click on OK. Again click this 2 times. Now we have made the program. Again let's say class name as B, because class name is a file name. Suppose I want to find the addition of 2 numbers. Okay, so in the data type are representing 2 numbers. Let's say A is equal to 6, some B is equal to some value, and C is the result variable. Let's say C is equal to A plus B. Okay, if you want to print, what will say system dot out dot println. Let's say the sum of 2 numbers. 2 numbers is. Then you say what? Then you say plus C. Close the bracket, semicolon. Okay. Always you have to write with the main function. It's a public. There is a static void. There is a main string arguments. Okay, close the bracket. Open the bracket. Like that. Okay, public static void. There is a main string arguments. Okay. And close one more bracket. Always the class will start with the main function. Then you are declaring all the variables. Okay. Now then what you do? Compile it. Okay. Then if you want to run again, right click, you go to main function. All the programs are run through main function. Then you click on showing the sum of 2 numbers is 123. Okay, like that. Now same thing if you want to create like that, each program is created in different class. Let's say C, then again and you say OK. Okay, click those 2 times. Suppose I want to print one character and a string. Again let's say class and C will say. Again, if you want to print a character, say character variable name, some value you have to give in single quotes. And same thing, if you want to print a string, you say string. String is a class. String, some variable. Always string, suppose let's say micro. Always string has to given with inverted quote, double quotes. And if you want to print, you say that is system dot out dot println. Okay. Here will say the character and number is okay. Then what you say? Number is, you say here you say what? There is a plus, or we say plus n. Then you say plus m. Okay, one is for this one is for character, one is for string. Then close the bracket, semicolon. This is for printing the values. If you want space, it is space. Then what you do, and you have to start with the main function. Main. Again you say public static void main. Then you say string of arguments. You close the bracket. Again close the bracket and close the bracket. Because you have to keep on entering. Okay. Now what you do? Now compile the program. Now if you want to run, you go to C. Again right click, you go to main function. Click on. Like this is showing the character and number is G and micro. If you want to give space between this character and this one, what you do? Again click this 2 times. Okay, here what you do, you say plus, again you do like this. Okay, like this. Okay. again you compile it. Okay, again you go to this one, right click, you go to main function, click on okay. Since for giving space with the character and string. Okay, this is regarding this one. In next class, in the next session I'll teach you regarding other programs. Okay, thank you.